Hey little stars, welcome back to my channel, and today my mum and me are going to be opening a brand new tarantula. Okay mum, do the honours for opening this little... See, we are on tarantula websites and I saw this tarantula and I'm like, oh my god, we need to get one of those in the future, and we managed to get the last one. I'll tell you guys what it is. What it is in a second. Where is it? You lost it. Oh my god, look at that little tiny little thing. Oh my god. Is it alive? Oh my god. So this, guys, is a Brazilian blue. I've got the Brazilian red, my mum's got the Brazilian black, and then we've got the Brazilian blue. Oh, where'd it go? Am I looking in the right place? Oh, it's right in this corner over there. Can't get to focus because it's so small. Oh my god, I can't get to focus properly. Wait, it's climbing up the side. Focus. Focus. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Stunning. Oh. So guys, that is it for this unboxing video. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm just slobbing in my bed. It's literally nearly 12 o'clock and I've just got up because I'm lazy and there's nothing to actually get up for right now. Dan! Come here, come and end this video with me and I'll go get your stick. Bye. So thank you ever so much for watching, everyone. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Comment video suggestions, what you want to see down below if you can. If not, there'll be links in the description where you can contact me. Did I say rate this video? If not, rate this video. And I'll do another video soon.